I think it's community that the university offer, and coming together as a cohort for our year group has been really wonderful. The balance as well that Glyndŵr offered of working online, the resources that they provide for us as well, I think is really strong, and the teaching at the university with the lectures is really fantastic, and I really enjoy coming into uni each week.
On this course you develop a lot of new skills as well as enhancing some that you probably don't even realise that you've got. Listening skills, personal development, really all the things that are vital to communication.
I think it's really changed me as a person. I'm much more considerate, I listen much more and much more open to other people's opinions and decisions. It's really affected my home life as well. I'm a much more relaxed person, and yeah, I think I'm a better mum. So the skills that I've learned as part of the course really come into fruition when you go onto your placement in year 2, which I've just started. So learning those skills in the classroom and putting them into practice, it has been really noticeable how much I've learned in the past 2 years.
When I graduate, these skills are really going to be a benefit to me. I'd like to go into private practice and have my own setup as a counsellor, but even if I go into any other walk of life, I think these skills are going to be vital because they're all about personal relationships, and there isn't a field that doesn't rely on human interaction.
So the lecturers and staff at Glyndŵr are really supportive in what we're trying to do and where we end up. They're always there at the end of lectures to answer any questions that we might have, and they're always really open to questions also within the lectures. There's a wealth of information that they provide for us online, and there's always pre-work so that you can get ready for your lectures in time.
The staff at Glyndŵr are so supportive. They've been brilliant both in terms of teaching on the course and also any issues that might arise, you know, in a sort of somewhat personal capacity, that they're still there for you as well.
Studying the diploma in counselling here has been quite successful for a lot of the students that have graduated. We do find that some of the agencies offer graduate students paid posts. Also, we have had in the past 100% satisfaction for the programme.
What's been clear from students on the course and graduates on the course is that they like the blend of theory and practical, so that they feel when they do qualify that they're fully equipped to go out as fully qualified counsellors who have an understanding of all the aspects of what they're looking to do.
We offer a lot of opportunities for placement because placement is part of the programme. Students have to engage with 100 client contact hours, and we engage with the NHS and various charities that will offer our students a placement.
Students joining the course come in thinking that they know who they are. The students who exit the course as a graduate at the end of the course often find that they are completely different people, hopefully a better version of themselves, whatever that might mean, but certainly different from the person coming in at the start. The support we will give them is around helping them to explore that at their own pace and in their own time, but it is becoming who they want to be as a person as well as a qualified counsellor.
I would recommend the Diploma of Counselling at Wrexham Glyndŵr University. It's such a good quality of teaching. All they want is for you to get the best out of yourself. They won't push you any harder than you're comfortable being pushed, but they know what you can do and they'll bring that out of you.
I would strongly recommend the Counselling and Psychotherapy course at Glyndŵr University. For me, it's been transformative and changed the way that I think about my views of the world and also how I interact with people.